Now I'm going to take the cake out of the pan. Use a spatula knife, which is the best thing, and run it just along the edge of all sides. Just wiggle it to get it in there. To loosen up. It's okay to cut off a little bit of the cake if it overlaps a little, and just brush that off. When all the sides are loose and the cake seems to be loosened in the pan like this, see, you can see that it's loosened in the pan. Then we're going to take it out. And we'll just flip it over nice and easy and center it on our platter and remove the pan. See how the baking paper made it very easy to remove from the pan? And when we remove the paper, do it nice and slowly and just kind of pull it across, not straight up, but across the cake so that you don't pull off chunks of the cake. Now we've got a nice flat bottom to work with.